Hello, America. This is Vlada from Vlada Seeds of Life with a reminder that first weekend in March is a National Unplug Day. We are excited to support it by reaching out and reconnecting with our community, especially with our youth. Reconnecting, cooking, and volunteering is how Vlada Seeds of Life is celebrating this year's Unplug Day. To find out how you too could join this wonderful initiative, you can visit unplugcollaborative.org. This year, let's all unplug to reconnect and give back to people and communities around us. We would love to hear from you and how you and your family are unplugging this year. Let's just do it because our kids are worth it. Find out more about Vlada Seeds of Life at VLADA'S.com.